super insane, guys. I'm not really trying to pay full price, you know how I am, but I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this right now. Hey guys, so do you desire Forest of the Blue skin? Well, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Forest of the Blue skin on your phone, guys, the mobile version. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. It's really fun to play this game. So go over to tweakmod.com, find Forest of the Blue skin, press install, and the game will start downloading. So before it downloads, there is going to be a verification step. This is the last step to get the game, guys. So what you have to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long, but yeah, this is super cool, guys. So if you play this at all, you know that a lot of people do not know how to get Forest of the Blue skin on mobile, so that's why I made this video, because I know the website where Forest of the Blue skin mobile is located. So as you can see, it says missing files, so you just want to download 2 of these apps, so like Family Island, for instance, reach level 10, or I could do DraftKings Casino, you gotta do this, or I could do Underdog, which says download for 30 seconds. So yeah, I'll see you later, but make sure you guys do 2 of them, and then you'll get the Forest of the Blue skin mobile game. So yeah, it's really fun to play it. I've tried it a couple times, and I feel desires to play it on mobile now because I don't have to use a PC. Why would I want to get out the PC, bro? I can just play Forest of the Blue skin on my phone. So yeah, it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but there you go, guys. Tweakmod.com. That's the website. So try us out. It's really awesome.